Dear Kristin, my bride, it's rare that life gives you a moment of true clarity, but I found that the moment I met you. You're my favorite equal when it comes to love. The love I give you, you give right back. I am a better man every day for getting to be with you.
Matthew, today I am marrying you because you are kind, loving, fiercely devoted, and my puzzle piece. I am so unbelievably lucky that you have chosen me to spend your life with. From the day I met you, I knew you were something special, and I knew I wanted to be a part of it. I count my blessings every day that I get to laugh with you and be loved by you.
Watching Matt and Kristin grow as a couple has been so heartwarming to me. They really support each other. First it was long distance, and then just setting up their careers together. And it's the trials and tribulations that you have in doing something like that, and it just really shows how strong their relationship is.
I never believed in love at first sight, but the first time I saw you, I think I knew. I knew you were made for me, and I was made for you. But never did I predict the countless adventures life had in store for us. Thank you for being my travel buddy, my best friend, my constant support, and now my husband.
What amazes me about them is how they can not only make friends, but keep them. And this group right here tonight, the wedding party, that is a test to that right there. That it's just really admirable how close they are with their friends, and it's not Kristin's friends and Matt's friends, it's our friends, our friends.
You're my everything, my reason to try harder, my reason to smile. Simply put, I am not the man I am today without you. I love you and cannot wait to make you my wife. Love, Matt.
Today, as I become your wife, I promise to love you. I promise to cherish you. I promise to take care of you. I promise to love you deeply and endlessly. I promise to always be there for you. And I promise to be the best wife and partner to you. You have my love for the rest of ours. There's no one else I would want to take this journey with. Thank you for loving me the way you do and making me the luckiest girl in the world. I love you forever. Your wife, Kristin.
Kristin is my little spark plug. When she stopped home. She's always doing something, you know. She's hopping all over. She's got us hopping, and that's great. It breathes new life into us. But you know, she's always smiling. She's got so many friends, and she's, you know, they're both great with friends, like Sherry said. They're really great with their friends.
Anyone who knows me knows how much I absolutely adore my friends and family and how much I appreciate all the wonderful people that are in my life. And when I met Matt and saw the network that he was surrounded with, I just knew I had to be a part of it. So thank you all for being here today. And thank you for supporting us and loving us and just being the best people in the whole world. Thank you.
A special thanks to all of our parents. Dad, Mom, and Greg, you have supported every decision that we make. Any crazy idea we have, you are 100% behind us, and we love you for supporting us through whatever we come up with. Thank you for that. And to Don and Kathy, we turned their home into a storage facility, a workshop, I don't know what else, but they gave up house and home to make today happen. And it wouldn't have happened without them. We love you, we love everybody here. And now it's time to party. Let's party.
When Matthew graduated, he framed the first page of his thesis, and it said, "To my mother, my voice of reason." And I think it's time for me to pass the reins. And you are now each other's voice of reason. Always remember that and be each other's voice of reason. Okay?
I just want to say we love you. Okay, and Matt, we're so happy to have you in our family and joining your family with ours. It's just a wonderful experience.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You have found a love that sets me free. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me, I know that I have everything. It's blue skies and big dreams, a billion places to explore. And I will be with you forever. Forever I am yours. Forever I am yours. You have found the love that sets me free.